We're live, yo. Let's go, boys. Can't wait. Man, I've seen the stars. Half of us are all bandaged up.
Oi. ここは侍の駐屯所じゃねえぞ。船もどけろ。
They ain't way too comfortable.
世話になる。世話しねえよ。降りろ。野郎ども。麦わらたちに遅れを取るな。
Lord's like, yo, ease up, fam. I thought they were... Man, let us reach Onigashima, fam! They were trying to get... Oh, sorry, they went back on purpose to get that range, right?
あの国の兵器は精度がいい。
Man, we're never gonna reach Onigashima, fam. Man, someone just needs to go all out and raise these fuckers, fam. There. One after another, man. Fucking bamboozle, yo. Yeah, it's true. It's true.
全速前進近づくしかねえ
I'm sure one of us can erase these guys, man.
侍の船が何隻沈もうが知ったことか。
No, this is bad. Man, this just had to be on sea, innit? If this was on land, fam, right, it'd be her telling a whole different story, yo. We go closer, fam. Move the ship. We can't fly from a distance like that. Who the fuck is that?
And here we go.
Jimbei! Is that Jimbei? No! Guys! No! No! I'm right! The mouth! No! Jimbei! Let go! No! Jimbei! Is that Wano? No! This quick! Jimbei is with us! That's Jimbei, man! Let's go! You're fighting someone that basically is a boat! It lives in water, yo! This just way down our feelings and be better Marine for Joe! Jimbei is here. The music. No. No! Don't do this to me, fam! It's your fucking member of the fucking straw show! Who's here? Who's here? Everyone! Please listen! I'm listening! I'm fucking listening! In the Fisherman District, the Kingdom of Yugu, the country in the deep sea. You're talking like we don't know who you are!
方々のお兄さんとお姉さん方に厄介をかけながらこの度麦わらの親分さんに杯をいただく
I am merely a fledgling. Jimbei.
で海峡の
Yeah! Let's go! Yeah, first I love to see Jimbei! そうだろう
麦わらの家に入るのか
438! Yo, Luffy's the lighty! Oh, no One Piece fan!
わがまま聞いてもろうてすまん
Thank you! Onigashima fan!
約束通り生きて戻ったぞ戦いに間に合ってよかった
Let's go! God! I need more episode, fam! Man, fuck these 23 minutes, man! Jimbei, yo! Man! Fuck! I swear, man, I need another episode! I need another episode, man. That was the daddiest entrance, fam. Jimbei is here, fam. Does anyone else think, as slowly these episodes go on, you feel like there's a chance, man? I might sound so fucking delusional, and this might bite me back later, but man, there's a chance. Man, Kid, Law, Luffy, World Generations are we're together. Man, Denjiro, we got fucking Jimbei. I don't care, man, this might bite me back, but man, we gotta go in for the win, yo. And Jimbei is no pushover, fam. Man, his help would be of a huge assistance, yo, against Kaido and Mon. Please listen, he was talking in a sense that obviously Luffy don't know him, innit? But obviously it was a sick way to do it, innit? And the music as well. Man, look at that shot on 2157. You see the whole ships, fam, and second, and you see Jimbei, and it's all covered in like fog. Man, look at that angle, yo. He's addressing the nation, fam. Don't lose hope. Innit? I'm going to exchange a cup of cig with Bosch dwarves. People call me first son of the sea. Yo, One Piece killed it with this episode. Actually killed it. They actually slaughtered the lamb. They slaughtered the lamb, boys. From that Luffy and Mononosuke, speech to seeing Jimbei at the end, yo. Onigashima is what? Few meters away, yo. Man, this serious, man. I came back alive as I promised you. I'm glad I made it in time for the battle. Man. Yo, this wasn't the episode fire, fam. Man. This episode sucked ass until Jimbei appeared. All I know. Then again, Yoda's gonna be saying I'm just saying that because One Piece is my favorite anime. No, we never. It was hard way better than last week's episode before Jimbei even appeared. Then again, like Sanji would have kicked his ass. We know that, but from obviously he was using. It's like when Mom would have destroyed King, but King was in the air, like, and Kanjiwa was using an advantage, like, of harming everyone. So Sanji has to back off. It kind of like it makes sense. And obviously the Mononosuke, I mean, his character, man, like, how dramatically has changed from episode 1. He's happily to go away with Kanjiro, knowing, like, fam, if all of us was too focused on Mononosuke, fam, while he leaves, we won't be able to accomplish our mission of liberating Wano. So obviously, in a sense, he was good what he was saying. Don't worry about me. Obviously, inside is worrying. Who wouldn't at the age of 8? But it makes sense, innit? Like, he's like, fam, you're not focused on Mama Kaido if you're thinking on me. I'll kill myself. Remember, Kaido would have killed him prior, but he didn't. Because he thought he was too weak. Some One Piece fans always want fights. Yo, Blade fam, I mean, the love for One Piece is surreal not because of the fights. Oh man, you can name our top 10 best One Piece moments. Not all top 10 are not a fight. You know what I mean? Yeah, like Mononosuke's character, Kanjiro, man, like how smart he is in knowing he won't be able to take Sanji on. So let's be smart and use the flipping everyone as a your Blade 110%, man. I've always said that, man. Man, like if someone could spoil a fight for you in One Piece, it won't be as deadly as someone spoiling, specific moments. You know what I'm referring to? Like when Roger finds the One Piece. If someone spoil it, yeah, that would kill. If someone just spoils something, like let's say, oh, Luffy fights Kaido, yeah, it'll hurt, but it won't be as bad, fam. Cause it's inevitable Luffy is gonna fight him. Anyway.